Welcome back again, students. Now let us see how to change the degrees, how to change the sentences. Okay, by now we have known that these are the three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Now when two things are at equal quality, can you see here two lines which are of equal distance? They are, whenever two things are of equal quality, they are in positive degree. Which degree here? Positive degree. When two things are compared and one is more or less than the other, here one line is small, another is bigger than that. Okay, or if you compare this line to this line, one is bigger, another is smaller than that. Okay, so one is more or less than the other, that time comparative degree. And when one is on the top or at the bottom, if you compare these three lines, this line is on the top, the longest line, this is the shortest line. So one is at the bottom or on the top, that is superlative degree. Up to here you have known. Now let us see how to change the degrees. Now three things I had told you. You must remember that whenever there are words as and as, which degree form? Positive. Whenever ER and then comes, that is comparative degree, and whenever the and EST comes, that is superlative degree. Okay, we know these rules. Now let's see one example on the board. Akbar was the greatest king in India. Okay, Akbar was the greatest king in India. Now tell me which degree it is. The and EST. Can you see here? Which degree form? Superlative degree. The and EST means superlative degree. Now you have to change in comparative and in positive. While making comparative, we have to use ER and then. While making positive, we have to make as and as. But there are some rules. Can you see here? These rules you must remember. These rules are, whenever there comes in the sentence the and EST one and only, that time you have to use, while making comparison, comparative degree, you have to use the words any other. Which words? Any other. And in positive degree, no other. Whenever there comes one and only, how it comes, I will explain again. Next, if there comes one of the, this group of word comes in the sentence, one of the, that time you have to use in comparative degree many other. Do remember, if there comes only one, you have to use any other. If there comes one of the, you have to use many other. And in positive degree, you have to use very few. This sentence, taking help of this sentence only, we'll see how this rule applies. Now tell me, in this sentence, is there one of the or one and only? One and only. So how the sentence will change? This is basically superlative degree. Now while making comparative degree, how the change will come? Akbar was the greatest king in India. So what you have to use? Any other. Akbar was, pay attention, Akbar was, what is the form? Great, comparative form, greater. Akbar was greater than any other king in India. Got me? See here. Akbar was. this remains the same. This patch goes off, and in place of that what will come? Comparative form of the degree, that is greater than, तो must come. Akbar was greater than here, because there is one and only, you have to use any other. Any other king in India. So in place of this patch we have used this patch for comparative degree. Check out here. Akbar was the greatest king in India. While making comparative, we have used Akbar was greater than any other king in India. Same way, positive degree, what you have to use? No other. How that will come? Same patch we have to change. No other king in India was, now positive form, great as Akbar. Got me? See here, in positive degree what will come? No other king, because there is one and only, so no other word, we have to use this phrase no other. No other king in India, that will remain the same everywhere. In India was must come, because was is the original form of tense, so should not change here anything. Only you have to change this patch. No other word must be changed, do remember. So no other king in India was as great as Akbar. Great is the positive degree form of the adjective greatest. Okay. So how the three sentences will go? Superlative degrees, Akbar was the greatest king in India. Comparative will go, Akbar was greater than any other king in India. And positive, no other king in India was as great as Akbar. Okay. So this is the transformation, change of degree. Now, according to this rule, the same sentence, we'll see how it will come. Now Akbar only, greatest king only, but the sentence, if it comes this way, Akbar was one of the greatest kings. In India. Now see here, one of the, this phrase has come, so accordingly the rule will change here. Okay. Akbar was one of the greatest kings in India. Now rest of the sentence will remain the same, only you have to change this patch. How the comparative degree will go? See here, what word you have to use? Many other. Last time previously we have used any other. Here we have to use many other. How the sentence will come? Akbar was greater than many other kings in India. Many other kings, the rest part will remain the same. Greater than many other kings in India. Okay. In positive, which word you have to use? Very few. So how the positive degree will go? Very few kings in India were as great as Akbar, because here we have used plural form, so were will come, was will not come. See here, very few kings in India were as great as Akbar. So, if in the sentence there is used one of the rule change. If there comes only one and only, the rule again changes. There is much more ahead, students, which cannot be explained through this video. Try to understand this concept. When you will come back, again we'll see in the deep, vast ocean. Grammar is ocean and we have to enter deep down. So, till now I hope minimum level you have understood. Okay. So next time I'll explain according to your demand whatever is the next problem. Fine. Till then, bye.